Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Facebook page name in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you are on the main home screen. This is the central dashboard where you manage your business assets, so it's the right place to start if you need to update information connected to your Facebook presence. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look to the top left corner of the screen for the Portfolio drop-down menu. This menu is important because many users manage more than one business, brand, or page, and you'll want to make sure you're editing the correct one before making any changes. Click the Portfolio drop-down to view your available options. From that list, select the portfolio you want to work with. Take a moment here to confirm that you've chosen the correct business portfolio, since changing settings in the wrong one can lead to confusion later. After you click it, Meta Business Suite will switch into that selected portfolio so you can manage its settings. Next, go to Settings. This is where Meta keeps the more detailed business and page configuration options. If you don't immediately see what you need, just stay focused on the settings area tied to the portfolio you selected because that's where the name update will be made. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Edit and click on it. This opens the field where you can update the current page name. When editing a page name, it's a good idea to use the exact name you want displayed publicly and to double-check spelling, capitalization, and spacing before saving. A clear and accurate page name helps your audience recognize your brand more easily. Now enter the new Facebook page name in the text field. Replace the existing name with your updated one carefully. Keep in mind that Facebook may review name changes, and in some cases, names that are misleading or too different from the existing brand identity may not be accepted. So it's best to choose a name that matches your business or brand as closely as possible. Once the new name has been entered and reviewed, click Save. This submits the update and applies your change in Meta Business Suite. After saving, it's a good idea to quickly look over the page information again to confirm the new name appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook page name in Meta Business Suite.